What did you like and dislike about Morehouse Medical School?
I like the fact that one of the missions is to help serve the underserved, which is something that I'm passionate about. You know, having come from a background with not having too much, I'm always, would like to give back to whatever our community needs it. So learning to, serve the underserved, number one, that's a mission statement that I really agreed with. Giving back towards the community, even the classes that you learned about certain things such as racial inequality or gender inequality, that was part of the curriculum that you learn, how to talk to certain patients that may not have, the access to different healthcare or different systems that other patients may have access to. So just even those little things that, coming to residency, talking to some other people never had any of that experience before. So that was one of the things that I liked. um, I like the fact that it was in a big city. You're at a big trauma center. The hospital is called Grady Hospital. It's right in downtown Atlanta, and you get a great trauma experience. You get to work with attendings from all over that are experts. Things that I didn't like. It's expensive.
Okay, yeah, well, that can be
Maybe
said about
that's one of
most
the
medical
things.
schools, yeah, for sure.
But yeah, just like you just said, but that's something that's common with a lot of different medical schools. I mean, I
Right.
didn't really have any necessarily bad experiences per
That's
se
wonderful.
with Morehouse
That's
School of
great.
Medicine. I would choose it again if I had to.